If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If selling products, you may need to track your inventory. To enable inventory tracking in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Accountant Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Account and Settings window. Click the Sales button in the menu at the left side of the screen. To the right, click the Products and Services section to edit those settings. Then ensure the Track Quantity and Price or Rate and Track Inventory Quantity on Hand toggle switches in this section are set to the on position to enable inventory tracking. When finished, click the Save button at the bottom of this section to save your changes. Then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the window to close it. Enabling the Track Quantity and Price or Rate toggle switch adds a quantity and a rate field to your sales forms. This lets you track this information for the products and services you sell. Enabling the Track Inventory Quantity on Hand toggle switch lets you track the available stock of each product you sell. It also keeps track of related inventory costs for each item. This lets QuickBooks Online Plus automatically increase the quantity on hand of an item when you buy more. It also decreases the quantity on hand of items after making sales. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.